Your Volkswagen Golf engine is revving up like it is in neutral when you floor the gas because your Stage 2 tune makes more torque than your transmission software is programmed to hold. The direct answer is that you have reached a hard hydraulic limit in your transmission computer that only a software flash can fix. This happens because the factory software inside your 6-speed direct shift gearbox has a fixed limit on how much oil pressure it can use to squeeze the clutches together. Your engine is now making more rotational force than the transmission is allowed to resist. From the factory, your car was designed to handle around 258 pound-feet of torque, and the transmission computer was programmed to match that specific number. When you install a Stage 2 engine control unit tune, your torque output jumps significantly, often reaching over 350 pound-feet. This surge of power usually hits very hard and very fast, right as you reach 3,000 revolutions per minute. Because the mechatronic unit, which is the brain of your gearbox, is still following the original factory rules, it does not know that it needs to increase the clamping force to match this new engine strength. The hydraulic system continues to provide the same low pressure it used when the car was stock. Because the engine is pushing with much more force than the clutches are being squeezed with, the wet clutch plates simply slide against each other instead of locking together to move the car forward. To fix this, you must take specific steps to update the rules that your gearbox follows. First, you need to connect a high-quality battery tender to your vehicle to ensure the voltage stays perfectly steady. This is vital because if the power drops while you are updating the computer, you could permanently damage the transmission control unit and turn it into a useless brick. Once your power supply is stable, you will need to perform a software flash on the transmission control unit using the onboard diagnostics version 2 port located under your dashboard. You can use a handheld device like a cob access port or a laptop with software from specialized companies like Unitronic or TVS Engineering. This software flash rewrites the pressure mapping tables inside the transmission brain. It commands the mechatronic unit to significantly increase the hydraulic line pressure applied to the clutch packs. By increasing this pressure, you fundamentally increase how much torque the factory clutches can hold without needing to replace any physical parts. You should also know that doing a basic fluid and filter change or using a diagnostic system tool to run a basic settings adaptation will not stop this kind of slipping. Those maintenance steps are for helping the computer find the physical wear points of the clutches, but they cannot change the maximum pressure limits that are locked in the software. You are dealing with a software instruction problem, not a dirty oil problem or a mechanical failure. If you continue to let the clutches slip under heavy acceleration, the friction will create extreme heat that will eventually warp the plates and destroy the entire assembly. This would result in a very expensive repair that requires taking the whole transmission apart. It is much safer and more effective to match your transmission software to your engine power as soon as you notice the engine speed flaring. If you ignore this, you will burn through the clutch packs in a matter of weeks and face a total transmission rebuild. You should get the transmission control unit software flashed before your next heavy pull. Check your torque levels, if yours does this.